Hi guys, welcome to healthspectra.com. 6 ways to use cloves for toothache. Cloves for treatment toothache is quite common. The main fact that makes everything stand out is the fact how to use this effectively to get rid of the aching tooth. But how do cloves relieve toothache? Cloves are loaded with beneficial anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties which have profound impacts on relieving the pain. Still wondering how you can use cloves to get rid of the toothache? We definitely have some amazing remedies up our sleeves that we are going to share with you. Ground cloves. Make a paste using 1 tablespoon of ground cloves and olive oil and apply it on the tooth and leave it for 15 minutes and then rinse off. Clove oil. Direct application of clove oil on the affected tooth can effectively gets rid of the pain as well as the inflammation caused because of the condition. Clove oil compress. Pour a few drops of clove oil into a cotton ball and place it over the tooth and gently bite down on the cotton to put some compression. Clove tea. Clove tea readily helps in soothing the pain. Make sure to mix 1 teaspoon of cloves to a pot of boiling water and then steep it for 10 minutes. Avoid drinking more than 1 or 2 cups daily. Whole cloves. Even whole cloves help in getting rid of the pain and inflammations when you keep a crushed clove in between your aching tooth. Gargling with clove powder. Mix 1 teaspoon of clove powder in a glass of warm water and mix everything. Gargle with that water and rinse your mouth thoroughly with the same. Cloves, if used correctly, can immediately relieve toothache. Because they are quite strong, it is predominantly advised to consult a doctor before using this remedy for the cure of your toothache. Join our WhatsApp subscription for latest health articles delivered right to your mobile devices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep yourself updated.